Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you people are doing very well. If you are new to this channel, please do subscribe it, okay? Because I will be making videos mainly on SSLC exam, okay? And the focus will be mainly on the maths. The languages which I am following at present is both English and Hindi. So you can follow whichever language you are comfortable with, okay? So in this video I will be explaining, actually I will be solving the top 10 questions from the chapter linear equations. Okay, linear equations in two variables. Okay, and the questions which I have selected, if you practice them properly, all the doubts will be cleared from this chapter. Okay, so focus on the video, okay, and just learn whatever I'm going to teach you. Okay, so first let me tell you about some basic concept, okay, from this chapter. So you all know that a1x plus b1y plus c1 is a equation. We call it as linear equation in two variable. The variables are x and y. And if I write one more equation, a2x plus b2y plus c2 equals to 0, this is linear equation, okay, of the same variable x and y, but the coefficients, if you see, are different in both of these. Okay, so we call them together as linear equation. Okay, a pair of linear equations. Pair means what? Two in numbers. A pair of linear equations in two variables. Okay, so these linear equations, they represent a straight line. Okay, one linear equation will represent a straight line in a graph. When we plot a graph, this, if you take x and this is y axis, this will represent a straight line. So if there are two equations, they will not may they will represent two straight lines. So the straight lines, they can be either intersecting, okay, they can be like this, intersecting, or they can be parallel to each other. Okay, this sign represents parallel lines, or else they can be coincident. Okay, so to identify the equations whether they are representing intersecting, okay, I will write it as I for intersecting, parallel, or coincident. Okay, we have certain conditions. Okay, for this three you have to remember this condition: coefficients a1, a2, so a1 by a2, b1 by b2, and c1 by c2. You have to write like this. If all these three are equal, okay, if all the three are equal, then it will represent what? It will represent a coincident line. If first two are equal, third is not equal, then it will represent a parallel line. If none of them are equal, it will represent which one? A intersecting line. You have to remember this condition. Okay, now you have to remember one more thing. So these are the lines. Okay, I will tell you a trick, and these are the conditions. I hope you have noted down. And now the type of equation. Okay, the equation, whether it is dependent, consistent, or inconsistent. So I have written here IPC. If you look at it properly, IPC. Below that, just write CID. Okay, I hope you can remember this. IPC and CID, both of them are related to what? Law, correct? So I represents intersecting line. Here C will represent consistent. So if the line is intersecting, we call the equation as consistent. Okay, and the condition is none of them are equal. Correct this condition. Now P for parallel. Okay, and I will represent here inconsistent. Therefore, the equation will be inconsistent. Now, if it is coincident, the equation will be called as DD represents dependent. Okay, and the last thing, see, one more thing they will be asked. they will be asking that the type of solution means how many solutions do the line provide. Lines, okay. So if it is intersecting, see, solution means the number of point at which they are meeting. So in intersecting, they are meeting at only one point, so it has only one solution. We also call it as unique solution. Parallel, are they meeting anywhere? No, so it has no solution. And coincident, if you see, they are both walking together, right, one upon the other, so they are touching each other till infinite. So it has many solution or infinite solution. You have to remember like this, okay. So these four thing you have to remember: the type of line, okay, condition for the this lines, type of equation, and the type of solution which will be provided by these two equations, okay. Now based on these only we are going to get the question in our exam, okay, mostly on these. And sometimes they will ask questions like solve the value of x and y, find the value of x and y. So that is also very easy. I will just solve one problem while doing the important those top 10 questions, okay. So let us start one by one, we'll solve them, okay. So this is the first question, you can look at the screen, okay. You try to solve it by yourself. If you're getting the answer, then it's good, or else you can follow the video. So what is the first question? The first question is, if the pair of linear equation x plus 2y equals to 3 and 2x plus 4y equals to k are coincide, then the value of k is dash. So let me write the equations here. X plus 2y equals to 3 and 2x plus 4y equals to k, okay. So they are in the form of a1x plus b1 y equals to c1 and a2x plus b2y plus b2y equals to c2. So they are in this condition. Now they are coincide with each other, means they are representing coincident line. So for coincident line, what is the condition? The condition is a1 by a2 is equal to what? It is equal to b1 by b2, right? And that is equal to c1 by c2. So you have to just substitute here the coefficient. A1 is what? A1 is 1, so it is 1 by 2 equals to 2 by 4, and that is equal to 3 by k, correct. So if you take any, equate with any one value like 2 by 4 equals to 3 by k, you will get the answer. 2k is equal to 12, so k equals to 12 by 2, which is equal to 6. So the value of k is how much? It is 6, okay. So I have not taken the choices here, okay. You can first, you have to solve yourself, you are getting the answer, then compare with the choices, okay, options. I hope you have understood the first question. Let us move to the next question. So our second question is given as, the lines represented by this and this are, so they have asked the lines. So once again I will write 2x plus 3y minus 9 equals to 0 and 4x plus 6y minus 18 equals to 0. So 2 by 4, let me do it directly. 3 by 6, okay, a1 by a2, b1 by b2, and here it is minus 9 by minus 18. So if you solve them, you will get 1 by 2, 1 by 2, here also 1 by 2. So all of these three are equal to each other. So if they are equal, what do they represent? They represent coincident line, right? Sorry, here second. So answer is coincident, okay. It's very simple. Based on the condition you can write the answer, okay. So we'll move to the next question. Next question is, a pair of linear equations are said to be inconsistent when. So you have to remember this trick, IPC CIT. So these are lines, okay, and these are what? These are the type of equation. So inconsistent they are asking, so here it is inconsistent, so it means they are parallel. So for parallel, the condition is a1 by a2 equals to b1 by b2 and not equal to c1 by c2. So this is the answer. If they give you conditions, so this is the answer. If they ask you whether they are parallel, intersecting or coincident, then the answer is parallel. If they ask you the number of solutions, so for parallel, how many solutions? No solutions. So in a single question, I am explaining you three different types of question that can be asked. Okay, so I hope you have understood this also. Moving to the next question, question number 4. In the pair of equation x plus y equals to 9 and x minus y equals to 1, the value of x and y. So here you have to solve them directly. Okay, so if you solve, okay, by elimination method, you will get here 2x equals to 10, so x equals to 10 by 2, which is 5, and x plus y is 9, so y will be how much? 9 minus x. So 9 minus 5 is how much? 4. So value of x is 5 and y is 4, so it is 5 and 4. Okay, in the option you have to check. Okay, they can also give minus 5, minus 4, but you have to go for the positive value. Okay, chalo, good. Moving to the next question. Question number 5. The equations x plus 2y minus 4 equals to 0 and 2x plus 4y minus 12 equals to 0 consist of dash solutions. So here they have asked number of solutions. Okay. So once again I will write a1 by a2 directly. 1 by 2, 2 by 4, 4 by 12, minus minus. Okay. So this is 1 by 2 only. Here also you will get 1 by 2. Here you will get 1 by 3. So it is 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 3. These two are equal. This is not equal. So when are the first two equal? Okay, what do they represent? They represent parallel lines, right? And for parallel lines, there are no solutions. So answer is no solution. Okay, it's very simple. You can easily note it down. Okay. Now moving to the next question quickly. So if you are liking this video, please do share it, subscribe the channel, and kindly do like the video. Okay. Okay. Now question number 6. Now we will get some interesting questions. What does question number 6 represent? Asked, if a pair of linear equations in two variable is consistent. Okay. Consistent, then the lines represented by them are dashed. So same, consistent, independent, dependent, inconsistent, dependent. So for I it is, for C it is I represents intersecting. The answer is intersecting. That's all. It's very simple. You have to remember this trick. IPC, they represents line, and type of equation CID. Okay, you have to just compare. That will be the answer. Now moving to the next question, question number 7. So here it's also very interesting question. If AM is not equal to BL, then the system of equation AX plus BY plus C and equals to C, sorry, this is equals to C, and Lx plus My equals to N has, not, this is not good, has dash solutions. Okay, so this is the condition ki M is not equal to BL. Okay, so what we are going to do, just compare A by L, A1 by A2, okay, B1 by B2 and C1 by C2. So if you multiply these two, cross multiply, when they are equal, what you get? AM equals to BL. But they have asked, they have given the condition they are not equal, means here it is not equal. So which condition satisfy if first two are not equal? So it is for intersecting line. So intersecting line has how many solutions? Only one solution. So answer is only one solution or unique solution. Okay, it is also very easy question and an interesting one. You can easily solve it. Moving to the question number 8. So here the question is, if the system of equation 3x plus y equals to 1 and 2k minus 1 into x plus k minus 1 into y equals to 2k plus 1 is inconsistent. They represent what? Inconsistent. So IPC CID means what? Parallel. The lines are what? Parallel. Now the value of k they have asked. So for parallel condition, A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2, not equal to C1 by C2. So you have to follow just these two, equate them with equalities, you will get the answer. So 3 divided by a1 is 3 and this is a2, 2k minus 1, which is equal to 1 divided by k minus 1, right? This is b1, b2, b1, b2. So when you cross multiply, you will get 3k minus 3, 3 into k into minus 3 into 1 is equal to 2k minus 1. Bring all the k to one side and the numbers to other side. So minus 1 plus 3, here you will get k and here you will get 2. So answer is 2. It's very simple. Okay, just simple substitution and finding the solution. Linear equation is very easy. Okay, so is the AP. If you know linear equation, you can easily solve AP, arithmetic progression questions. Okay, chalo. So now moving to the question number 9. So this is also very interesting question. These 9 and 10 are very interesting and they are based on sentence form, but they are very easy. If you look at the question, you will find it little difficult, but in reality it's very simple and easy. What is the question? See, ninth one. If the sum of two numbers is 8, so let me take the number as x and y. Okay, so sum of two numbers x plus y is 8 and their sum is 4 times their difference. Their sum x plus y is 4 times their difference. Difference means x minus y. You have to subtract in difference and add in sum. Find the numbers. Then the numbers are dash. Okay, so what will be the number? So I will take this as equation 1 and this as equation 2. So equation 2 will become, if I substitute x plus y as 8, it can be written as 4 into x minus y. Now if I bring it to LHS, this will becomes 8 by 4, which is equal to x minus y. So x minus y equals to 2. So this is the another condition. So now look at 1 and now this one I will take it as 3. If you solve 1 and 3, okay, using elimination method, you will get the value of x and y. Okay, so these two will get cancelled. Here 2x is equal to 10, so x is equal to 10 by 2, which is equal to 5. What will be y? X plus, substitute in this or this, you'll get the answer. X plus y is equal to 8, so y equals to 8 minus x. X is what? 5, so it is 3. So answer is 5 and 3. The answer is what? 5 and 3. The two numbers are 5 and 3. Okay, chalo, moving to the last question. So if you have not liked the video yet, please do it, and after watching, kindly do share it to your friends, to your classmates, to the students of SSLC, sorry. Okay, now the last question, what does it says? Half the perimeter of a, actually here you have to write it as rectangular garden. Okay, it's missed. You have to write half the perimeter of a rectangular garden whose length is 4 more than its width is 36. Okay, so you have to read it and you have to look at it the comma. Okay, so what they have given, if you understand, this is length and this is breadth or width. Okay, so they have given ki half of the perimeter of the garden, rectangular garden, is 36. Okay, directly you have to read like this, whose length, because there is a some other condition, length is 4 more than its width, means here length is 4 more than its width. Width is b, so L is 4 plus b and b is b, and the perimeter of the garden is almost 36. Half of the perimeter, what is the perimeter of a rectangle? 2 into L plus b, correct? If you add all the four sides, you will get the perimeter. This is the overall perimeter, but they have asked, this is perimeter, let me write it here, but they have asked half of the perimeter, so half will be 2 into L plus b divided by 2. So 2 get cancelled, you will get just L by 2, L plus 2, L plus b, sorry. So L plus b is given as 36. Now if you look at here, you have gone one condition, L equals to 4 plus b, and this is the second condition. So when you solve them, L plus b equals to 36, and here if I bring LB to LHS, it becomes L minus b equals to 4. So L minus b equals to 4. Just solve it using elimination method. So these two will get cancelled. 2L equals to 40. So L equals to 40 by 2, which is equal to 20. Now what will be b here then? L is 20, b will be, if I substitute in any of the equation, either this or this. So L equals to 4 plus b, b equals to L minus 4. So 20 minus 4 equals to 16. So this is the answer. But here they have given in meter, so this also should be in 20 meter and 16 meter. Dimension means their length and width. So 20 meter by 16 meter is the answer. Okay. So I hope you have understood the questions, and I literally find it very easy and very interesting questions. If you practice these questions, okay, if you can easily solve these questions, I can guarantee you that you will also solve the question asked will be asked in your exam. Okay, so if you have really liked this video, please do subscribe to my channel. Okay, and don't forget to like, comment and share the video. Thank you for watching. We'll see you all in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.